Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today I will be unboxing this beautiful 5-piece non-stick cookware set by Carbon Steel Select Collection. The first two pieces are the 3.5 quart stock pot with a lid. It has a glass lid with a steam vent. The stock pot has a carbon steel core as well as a non-stick interior. It also has two heat-resistant handles. And to finish, it has a metal brim. Next, I have an 8.7-inch fry pan with a non-stick interior that has a smooth carbon steel core exterior finish. It also has a long heat-resistant handle. The last piece is a 1.5 quart saucepan with a glass lid that has a steam vent. The saucepan has a carbon steel exterior as well as a non-stick interior. And it also has a long heat-resistant handle. The cool thing about this set is that I can use the lid for the stock pot with my fry pan when I'm not using it. This set was a pretty good bargain at $10.99. I will let you guys know the pros and cons as I use these pots. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.